Start by moving the tension block assembly to the center of the tool. Start by detaching the tool assembly from the drill by loosening the collar screw. Remove the 2 screws on the adapter and the 8 screws on the side bodies of the tool. To replace the cutoff handle assembly, start by removing the tool head from the tension screw, opening the cutoff handle, pushing out the dowel pin, to install the new cutoff handle assembly, line up the hole in the cam with a hole in the head and insert the dowel pin. To replace the shear plate, start by removing the 2 screws on the head. To replace the shear plate, install with the flat side down, lining up the 2 holes with the holes in the blade. Then screw the 2 screws onto the blade. To replace the gripper and gripper guide, start by compressing the gripper guide against the tension block and remove the gripper from the side. To install the new gripper and gripper guide, install the springs onto the gripper guide and slide into the tension block. Compress the gripper guide and insert the new gripper. Preventive maintenance includes removing any metal shavings from the tension screw and re-lubricating it. To remove the metal shavings, use a wire brush and clean the tension screw. To re-lubricate it, use the grease syringe that comes with the tool and put a small amount across the tension screw. Once you run the tool, the grease will be spread out by the tension block. Now that the major wear parts have been replaced, you can reassemble the tool. When reattaching the drill, be careful not to add too much pressure, as this could compress the clutch and cause the pin to fall out. Gently put the drill into the tool head without adding any additional pressure. Tighten the collar screw. Check the function of the tool.